A6. 75 capacitive touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and a nice price makes JVC's KW-M150BT multimedia receiver a big step up from a factory radio. Count on hands-free calling, music streaming, and playback of music and video files stored on a USB flash drive as well. For Android users, the big fun of this receiver is controlling your compatible Android device via screen mirroring when the parking brake is engaged. And with an incredibly shallow chassis, 3 deep, make the KW-M150BT a better fit in challenging dashboards. General features: 6. 75 capacitive touchscreen display, AM/FM tuner, plays media loaded with MP3, WMA, FLAC, and AAC music files, fits double DIN dash openings. Bluetooth and smartphone features: built-in Bluetooth with dual phone connection for hands-free calling and music streaming, UILT in iPhone control and rapid Android charging via USB port, Android screen mirroring via USB. Audio, video features: plays USB memory devices, 13-band equalizer with digital time alignment, high and low pass filters, does not play CDs. Inputs: rear USB input, backup camera input, rear AV input, RCA outputs, rear video output, 5-channel preamp outputs, 2-volt front, rear, mono sub. Top reviews from the United States. Good value for price. I like the sound quality and looks pretty good. I wish it had user backgrounds.